I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both yourself and the appliance. Wash your hands, rinse the retainer under lukewarm water, and visually inspect it for damage. Once done, open your mouth and use a mirror so you can see how the metal should align with your teeth. This prevents forcing. Make sure clasps are free of debris and the acrylic is smooth. If anything looks off, stop and rinse again. Do not try to bend or heat the metal to fit. Now insert the retainer by placing the metal clasps over the back teeth first, then bring the wire to the front so it sits against your incisors. Use your thumbs to press the retainer into position with gentle, even pressure. Do not force or snap it in. Once seated, close your mouth and swallow. This helps the retainer settle and reveals pressure points. If you feel significant pain or uneven pressure, remove it and reseat more slowly, checking alignment in the mirror. To remove, gently ease the metal clasps off the molars first, pulling slightly downward and outward. Never pry from the front. Once out, rinse and brush the retainer with a soft brush and cool water, then place it in its ventilated case to prevent warping. If it feels persistently tight, causes sores, or shows damage, stop using it and call your orthodontist for an adjustment. Do not try to bend metal yourself. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.